Have you ever wanted to clean your entire apartment and decorate it for Halloween wearing nothing but a bikini? No? Well, I'm gonna be doing that today for you guys anyways. You're welcome. My name is Dare Taylor and I am the hostess of the mostest of this channel called DareWear.
Ooh, I kind of cracked a little bit there.
Where this channel I show off the latest trending fashions and give you guys a little bit of a fashion education just by telling you guys things I like and dislike about the outfits that I wear. If you guys are new here, you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Those are my free social medias. A little bit about myself is I am an upcoming actress, a model who's been around long before Instagram. You can join me on Twitch where I live stream gaming because I do play video games as well, and I'm just kind of a little bit of a dork. A lot of you suggested me decorating for Halloween, and then a few of you actually recommended me utilizing my Miss Bikini title and wearing my bikinis around my apartment while in quarantine, and I thought these two videos would make a great, giant, amazing video together. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my entire apartment dressed as my Miss Bikini title, which I'm actually gonna take this off while I clean because it's a little, you know, don't wanna accidentally dip my banner into the toilet or anything. But then I'm also gonna be decorating for Halloween, which is great. So you're not only getting 2 video concepts, you're getting 3 because you're getting a try on haul while I'm cleaning. It's so exciting. Today's outfits that we're gonna be trying on are Pretty Little Things bikinis that are actually donated from a viewer. His name is Trevor McFarland. If you guys are interested in getting a shout out like I'm giving Trevor right now, all you have to do is check out my Amazon wish list down below, and if you purchase 6 items or more of the same category, whether it be dresses, tights, shoes, bikinis, whatever you decide, I will shout you out in the next YouTube video. It's a great way for you to get involved in the channel. Before we get started with this, I have another exciting announcement that I'm going to tell you all at the very end of this video, so stay tuned because always the best outfit is always at the very end. It's the last one I try on, and I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. I'm so excited. All right, everybody, let's get started. This is outfit number 1 that I'm gonna be vacuuming my carpets wearing. Which this is a perfect outfit to wear if you do decide to, you know, get some physical fitness, some exercise in while you're cleaning your apartment. This is a good one to wear. Any one piece always is, but I like the way that the bottoms, like, this is not going anywhere. This is gonna cling to my body for dear life. And I love it because it's super comfortable. I could do anything in this one piece. I'm not going anywhere. There's a cup bra on the inside, so like if I do decide to play volleyball on the beach, I definitely won't be like flying out anywhere. I'll be secure in this one piece. And I also love that it's Halloween colors. Like, am I the only one who's like thriving off these Halloween vibes today? I'm excited. Halloween's coming up so quick. But yeah, this is outfit number 1. I would probably rate this to be a 10 out of 10, especially for a one-piece like slingshot like bikini. This is great. Love it, live it. Living my best life in it. All right, you guys, I have so many other ones to show you. I'm gonna twirl on into them, so let's get going. Okay, honestly, I'm not usually a fan of the band that goes above these bottoms that I've seen on other swimsuits, but I actually kind of like it with this one. This Lemony Fresh 2-piece bikini is not adjustable anywhere, so I highly recommend not purchasing this one if you are not typically like a small or a medium. I think that like the sizing on this one can be problematic, but if you do get the sizing right, it could be your favorite bikini in your closet. Honestly, I would probably rate this one, I do like a 9.5 because I'm not really in love with the band on the bottom, but I think it's cute and it makes it different and unique. And I'm not a fan of how the back sits on me. Like, it's just, it's a little like not quite a string bottom, but not quite a, I don't know, it's total cheeky, not a string, but I don't like the way it gathers back there. It kind of looks like I have a wedgie, and you guys can probably tell I keep pulling at it. But I do think this is a great one for doing chores around your house because there's support on the top, kind of like a sports bra, and the bottom is pretty well covered. So I think if you do decide to wipe down some surfaces, this might be the perfect bikini for that because it's mobile and it kind of matches the Lemony Pledge picture on the front of my spray bottle. So I thought this would be a good one for wiping down all those germs off my surfaces. I'm gonna wipe you like a germ off my surface. I don't know, I'm gonna twirl into the next outfit. Ready? This more punk bikini is what I would like to describe this as. I don't know if it's made for cleaning toilets, to be honest. I feel like it doesn't really fit that whole I'm gonna clean my toilet bowl vibe. But I do think that this is an amazing bikini. It's super cute. It has these little like gold dangly pieces on it, which I think are kind of fun and can get caught in things, so just be careful. I love the choker neck piece with the gold plates on it as well, but it doesn't really fit me. It kind of hangs a little low, which I don't know if it's intended to hang like that, but I still think it looks great. I do enjoy wearing this one. I just don't know that this is a good chore wearing bikini. Just because of all the little dangly things, I'd be concerned about them getting stuck on places, but I did have a good time. Like, I was laughing at myself a lot while cleaning the toilet bowl and being dressed like this. I'm humoring you guys out there. All right, I think it's time that we check out some other beautiful Pretty Little Thing bikinis while doing some other chores around my place. Let's twirl on into the next one. This peach simple two-piece bikini is another like win-win, I think, from Pretty Little Thing. The only thing that I could do without is that the bottoms don't have ties on them, and I think for ladies who are a little bit more bootylicious down below, we'll really want those ties to make sure and guarantee that the bikini is gonna fit them. Otherwise, I think the top is great. It's a nice soft fabric compared to the others because there's no print on it, so it's very comfortable, very soft. And sometimes having designs and like too many things on your bikini is just, it's not your style. You'd rather be like simplicity is bliss and just kind of enjoy just something kind of more on the chill side, you know? And I think this bikini is perfect for that. Honestly, I kind of enjoyed wearing this one around my apartment while cleaning because the bottoms felt like I was just walking around in my undergarments, you know? Like just walking around my house in my underwear and my bra, like who cares? Don't judge me. So it was kind of nice to wear this one because it was comfortable and I could still get my chores done while wearing this silly bikini. This video to me feels silly, but I'm here for it. So, you know, no judgment, just trying something new and I'm having a good time while doing it. So let's twirl on into the next bikini. Here we go. Everybody always says the best way to lose weight is by definitely putting on a bikini because it'll make yourself be like, ooh, I don't need that chocolate bar, I need to lose some weight. And I am feeling that in this video. I do love all of these simple Pretty Little Thing bikinis, especially their triangle cut ones. They just fit so well, they snug my body. The only thing I don't love is that the bottom isn't adjustable. So if it doesn't fit you, you're just kind of out of luck. Where the top you can tie to fit you a little bit better. So to me, it's like that kind of docks at a point. I would probably give this like an 8.5, but I think this is a good one to wear while you're like doing chores because you're like, I definitely could afford to like move around a little bit in my apartment and get my body moving and my blood circulating, so I tend to lose a bit more weight as opposed to eating tons of chocolate and sitting on your butt all day, which is very nice some days, but you gotta keep your body moving and be active, you know, like do some chores around your house, even if you already did them, because it's fun. And make a weird video about it. People love it. People love weird stuff. So I love the little palm trees as the print with the orange background. Super cute, adorable, love it. All right, let's try on the next bikini. Are you all ready for Halloween? I'm super ready for Halloween. This spooky Pretty Little Thing swimsuit is the very last one that I'm going to be trying on for you guys, and I think it is fabulous. The simple triangle cut and the ties on the bottom make it the perfect bikini for anyone and everyone because it can fit multiple sized body types, which is amazing and is something that a lot of swimsuit brands overlook, but I definitely appreciate when I can tie it to where I know it'll fit me perfectly. I think this one is a simple print and it just simply does the job and does it well. I'd give this a perfect 10 out of 10. You guys will have to let me know if you agree, especially while I'm like hanging those pumpkins, you know? Check out those decorating skills. I'm pretty good at doing all the decorating. But the nice thing about it is that after you're done decorating, you can sit down and take a little break. And that's it for this video. I'm just teasing. Of course, it is time for the surprise. Yeah, we're not about to have this epic moment together just for it to be blurry and be focused on my Halloween plant. Hey everyone, it's Darren editing here, and I wanted to redo this part of the video because obviously it was very blurry. So I've already opened the box because I tried to film this the other day. In the box, YouTube sends you a little cardstock letter that basically says congratulations. It's signed by the CEO of YouTube, which is Susan, so thank you so much. Here it is, the silver play button in all its glory. I just want to say thank you guys so much for being there and subscribing to me and being, you know, supportive. And without you guys, my life would be so different. I probably would still live in Florida. You guys have literally made so many of my dreams come true, and I am so thankful to you all. I know I say it like way too many times and I talk about it a lot, but I really truly am thankful to you all. You all have changed my life for the better, and thank you. Who knew that clicking a simple button would change someone's life? So don't ever forget that your actions can literally change someone's life. So thank you all so much for contributing and basically, you know, changing my life. I know I said that like 8 times, but I really mean it. So on to the next milestone. Also, as another thank you to you all, I'm giving you a huge discount on OnlyFans today. Be sure to check it out. It's gonna be 50% off, so check the link in the description or the pinned comment so you guys can join my OnlyFans for a way discounted price. So go ahead and check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter for the daily updates. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. It really helps the engagement. So I'm gonna go find a perfect spot for this. Thank you guys all so much, and let's smash this next milestone. Let's get another one of these babies in here.